Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today I wanted to do this fall makeup, so this is the colors that I decided to do. I hope that you like it, and if you want to see how I did it, please stay and watch. I already did my face. I already applied my foundation and then my concealer, and I also applied my powder, and I just got the camera closer so that you can see what I'm going to be doing on the eyes. And the first color that I'm going to be applying is this one, this dark red color. And I just got new blending brushes, so I'm gonna get this one, which is one of the, I got 4 of them and this is one of them. So it's a round brush. I hope you can see it well. And I'm gonna grab this brush, dip it in the eyeshadow, and I'm going to place it here. In order to blend it, I'm going to do circular motions and in and out, in and out. And I'm going to make sure this color goes all the way here. I'm gonna go up and down too whenever I need to do that. I'm going to take this little brush, I'm going to pick up the same color and I'm going to apply it all the way in. And I'm going to blend it. Make sure it's all the way up. Now I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from NYX that is called Walnut, and I'm going to be applying it with this tiny brush. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And this is a very pretty eyeshadow because it's a combination between brown and orange and has some sparkle in it. So to me, this is the perfect fall eyeshadow because it has the fall colors in it. It's very pretty. So I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending the edges. I'm going to try to lift it up some. Just make sure you blend everything very well. I'm not applying more color, but whatever is left on my brush, I'm gonna go ahead and really try to deposit that right here. So in order to make the color a little more intense, so I'm really trying to put the color in there. You can pick up a little more eyeshadow if you wanted to really put it in there, but me, I don't think it's necessary. I think with whatever you had left on the brush is enough. I don't know how, but I forgot to put my highlighted color right here under my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna do it right now. And the one that I like using is this one. I'm gonna grab some and I'm gonna put it right here in the middle and blend it from there. Then I'm gonna grab this eyeshadow here, which is a totally matte eyeshadow, doesn't have any sheen to it, and I'm gonna place it right here and I'm gonna blend it. And I feel like I lost some of the color that I put here, the first eyeshadow color that I put in there. So I'm gonna go ahead with my round brush and gonna try to retouch that because I do want that color to show. Since I already applied my powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. So I'm going to use this color. And since this is a fall look, I want to use this blush, which is kind of brown and orange and yellow all at the same time together. And it does look very natural. I'm going to apply it right here and I'm going to go down a little bit so that it blends in with my contouring color that I put in there. I'm going to apply my highlighter. The highlighter that I just applied is a very subtle type of highlighter, but this time I want for my highlighter to shine or to pop a little more. So I'm going to use this from the brand Hard Candy, and I'm going to apply this color. You have two colors here, one that is kind of a pearl type of light color, and this one which is more of a rose gold type of color. And what I like about this is that when you apply it, even so it shines, it doesn't shine too much. It's kind of in the middle, not so subtle but not so strong either, and it does, I don't know, it makes you glow but really natural, really nicely, not too strong. So I'm gonna be applying this one, the rose gold one, because this one right here is way too light for me. So I'm just gonna apply it and then blend it in. And I hope you can see it through the camera. I don't know if you will be able to notice. But anyway, I'm just gonna apply it here, here, and here. I don't apply it all over the place where I apply my first highlighter, because then it will be way too much and I will just look silly in my opinion. So I just rather to do it here, here, and here. Even so, if you actually using your highlighter in order to contour and make you look thinner, then don't apply it here. Any highlighter, just apply it right here, because you want the light to be focused on here, because then that's what is going to make this part pop up, and that will give you the illusion to the person that is looking at you that you have a thinner face, you know, a face that is thinner. But I do like to apply the shiny, the super shiny one right here, because I think it looks very cute when you have your nose shiny. I don't know why, I just like it. So it's not gonna help you to have a thinner face or more pretty face or anything like that. It's just something that I myself like. So anyway, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I like to use this comb or this type of brush to first comb my eyebrows and remove any product that might be in there. And then I'm gonna be using this product by ELF. It's a eyebrow duo, and I'm going to be using the powder side because this is a gel, but I don't want to use the gel. I like using the powder. So I'm just gonna put it on wherever I see that I don't have enough hair. So that it looks like I have a really nice full of hair eyebrow. But when I get to this part, I'm gonna try not to apply too much of the powder in there, because this area I want it to be not too strong, because usually people don't have a lot of hair in that area anyway. So I'm gonna be kind of light-handed when I do this area right here. And for my lid color, I'm gonna be applying a color that I really like a lot. I think it's a super really pretty color, and is a matte color from the brand LA Girl. I'm trying to look for the name of the color. Secret, that's the name. Since it is an intense red color, I want to make sure to line my lips just to map it, to make it easier for me when I apply the lip color, to make sure not to go outside of that line, so I don't look like a clown, you know, at the end, after I finish doing everything. And this lip pencil is also an intense red color that I really like also a lot. I like all my lipstick a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and liner. I'm gonna scrap all the color and I'm gonna build the color up. So I'm just gonna apply it. And you want to make sure in those corners right here and right here, you really go in there, because that will make your lips look a little bigger this way. It will give it a really nice look. So now that I applied that layer, I'm going to apply a second layer. Okay, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. I myself like it a lot. I like the strong lip color, which is something nice about winter and fall, that you can start wearing your really intense lip colors, that they look so pretty. I'm a fan of deep colors on the lips. So, and the eyeshadows weren't too much. It was an easy look in my opinion, because it's pretty much just two colors, you know, your dark brown, which this eyeshadow from NYX, this one, I gotta say, it's a really nice color. You should, if you can, you should try to buy it, because it's a color that really is something special in my opinion, because like I say, it has browns and some orange and some glitter all together at the same time, so that's something pretty cool about it. So that's it for today. I did put my false eyelashes and my mascara outside of camera, so it wouldn't take too much time on the video. And that's it for today. Thank you very much. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what do you think. Thank you very much for being here, and I see you next time. Bye.